Today unboxing is the 2013 Hot Wheels SDCC A-Team GMC panel van. This is part of my collection, which I'll feature from time to time. I have this panel van for 7 years now. I purchased this back in 2013 at eBay, and it's one of my most favorite Hot Wheels collection. It comes in a huge A-Team weapon case, which is great. I really love all these retro entertainment series such as the A-Team, James Bond, Knight Rider, Ghostbusters, and also Back to the Future. Behind you can see the info is 2013 from Mattel. And once opened up, you can see the acrylic display, which is protected by the sponge. The box itself is really massive. With the weapon case out of the way, and now let's take a closer look at the Hot Wheels SDCC A-Team Custom GMC panel van. Very nice display for the van, with the explosive backdrop, just like the TV series, but you can see the car is warped because of the dimension. I remember only taking this van out for less than 5 times during these 7 years, hence it's worthwhile to show the video. Although the car is warped but it's still in an okay condition, I really like the presentation of this casting. The base is in motion blur, and what makes this GMC panel van unique is all this mud splatter and the weathering on the casting. You can see the intricate weathering on the windshield, on the wheel sets, and also on the side of the panel van. Great details, just like the panel van in the old days. This is an evergreen casting that is highly sought after by a lot of Hot Wheels collectors. I remember there's a Mainline and also the Retro Entertainment series. Although the wheel set is painted, it still rolls extremely well, given that it's a Hot Wheels. In conclusion, this is one of my very best Hot Wheel buys in those days. One of the casting that I really like, and will definitely looks great in every collector's collection. More Hot Wheels unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!